I'm starting a new channel to learn Python for beginner as well as who are the intermediate programmers, developers in Python, and it will go to expert level. And after that, I will upload some automation using Python videos. So today, I am only focusing on the introduction of the Python. So today, I will cover only 4 topics: introduction of the Python, what are the different applications of the Python, what are the features of the Python, and who are the using the Python, or who are the organizations which are using the Python. So Python is a general purpose high level programming language. By general purpose means that we use uh, like software development, web development, e-commerce development, e-learning development. So we use Python for general purpose. Python is a high level language. Python is not a low level languages like assembly that we need to write a lot of code to create just very simple applications, but Python is a high level language, and its interpreter is written in C language. Python is an interpreted language and object oriented also. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1980s, and the first version, or you can say that the first release, was in 1991. So there is some applications, or there are some area of applications in which Python is being used a lot of. Desktop GUI applications using Python. There are some libraries built by developers community that you can use to develop desktop GUI applications. You can develop any applications like Paint, Microsoft Word. You can create or develop these kind of applications. Scientific and numeric operations. Python also being used in scientific operations, and one of the Python's famous library for numeric operations is NumPy, which is being used in machine learning, deep learning a lot of times. Software development. In software development, as I said earlier, you can develop any kind of software like e-learning software or some CRM software, web applications. All those kind of applications can be developed by Python. Business applications. Take a simple examples of an e-commerce applications. Like I want to develop a e-commerce portal, then you can use the Python framework, Django or Flask to develop the web application. Games and 3D graphics. You can create 3D games and 3D graphics using the Python. There are some libraries then already written in Python, and you can develop the games and 3D graphics. Network programming. Using Python, you can write some programs for the network. Database access. Using Python, you can access the database and consume the table data and other data in your application. The simplest said that using Python, you can connect to the database and your application. Image and video processing, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and chatbots. So these are some area of applications. Apart from this, there are so many other area in which Python is being used by developers at a large scale. Features. What are different features of Python? So one of the features is easy. Trust me, it's been around 6+ years and I'm using Python. From the very first day, its syntax are very easy, that I don't need to learn so many syntaxes, and there are very few, or you can say the very little chance to be an error. Expressive. Python is expressive. As I earlier said, that you don't need to remember so many syntaxes because they are very expressive. Once you saw the syntaxes of if, for, while loop, you will remember forever. High level language, as I earlier told you that Python is earlier high level language, so you don't need to write so many code right in like in assembly. So due to high level, you will need to write minimum code. Portable. Python is a portable language that you can write the code on Windows or another operating system, and then you can port the code to another operating system and can run from there. Object oriented. Like Java and C Sharp, Python is object oriented programming languages that you can create your applications using the class concept. But according to Python, Python is object-oriented as well as functional programming language. So you can create your whole application without writing a single class. Extensible. Python is extensible language. That means that you can write the program in another programming language. The simplest example is NumPy library in Python is very famous in machine learning and deep learning and data analysis, which is basically written in C++ and being consumed by Python. Interpreted. Python is not a compiled language, it is an interpreted language, dynamically typed. In Python, if you will use any variable, you don't need to define its type, or if you will write any function, you don't need to define the return type of that function, because Python is dynamically typed language, not unlike Java or C#.NET. They both are statically typed language. That's why when you declared any variable in Python, Java and .NET, then you need to define the type of the variable as well as function or method. Python have a large standard library. There, as I told you, there are lots of area of applications of Python. So there are developer communities and other communities, organizations which are being open source their code. So there are so many library and standard library available in Python that if you are making or developing any application using Python, and if you will face an issue, then you can go to the internet and search. Then you will get so many examples as well as suggestions from the developers. Who is using Python? So who is the big players in the market currently who is using the Python? Google is using the Python in the machine learning development, deep learning development, and other area of expertise in Python. Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Box.com, Dropbox, Salesforce, eBay, e-commerce portal, Reddit, discussion forum, Dig, VMware, BBC, Concur, Comcast, AT&T, and Slides. Apart from that, there are lots of organizations which are using the Python not only in web development, software development, but as well as mostly in deep learning research, machine learning research, in medical image processing, video processing. So if you are developing any project in machine learning, deep learning, so you will find out a lots of library available in the market. Apart from that, if you will make any application using Python, you will get a lots of resource. So thank you for watching, guys. This is my very first video, and I will upload a series of videos after that. But please subscribe, that if I will upload any video, then you will get a notification. Thank you, guys.